everyone, it's Hanny with my Junk Journal Embellishment Challenge number 46. And the prompt is frog. And I'm going to make a belly band. In my last video I was busy with these cut out circles, which I cut out from well, when I made specimen cards, and I pop out the circles with a punch, and well, these are the circles I popped out. And I thought, well, maybe I could use such a thing with a belly band. And I'm not sure what I'm going to use. I like these frogs, but well, this is the frog. I like this more, but it's not a real frog yet. It still has a tail. Yeah, it's a frog, okay, but it's more a baby frog. So I'm not sure which one I'm going to use. And I have well, all kinds of collaged papers. But I have a few scraps too. And maybe there's something in there which I can use as a belly band. Yeah, this is one. I think this came from this one, something like that. I'm not sure. Yes, that's the one. Well, that's not important. Maybe I could use this piece. I don't know. Maybe a piece of this one. Maybe I'm going to use this piece. Just going to measure if it's... Well, I could do such a belly band instead of such a belly band. Yeah. Well, I think I'm going to use this piece. And, well, I speed up a bit. Oh yeah, I feel a lot better now. I felt very sick yesterday. But I feel a lot better now. Don't know why, maybe all the pollen blew away. I'm not sure. It's still beautiful weather, so I'm not going outside yet. I don't dare that. But, well, I feel fine. So, like I said, I speed up the video, and I hope you enjoy watching.